Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Zelle in the Bank of America app, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open the Bank of America app on your mobile device. Enter your online banking username and password. If you don't have an account, tap on Enroll to create one. After logging in, navigate to the home screen. Look for the Payments tab at the bottom of the screen. Tap on Send Money with Zelle. If prompted, read through the terms and conditions. Accept the terms to continue using Zelle. Next, you may need to verify your identity via a security code. Choose your preferred method to receive the code. Once you receive the code, enter it in the provided field. Now, link your bank account or debit card to Zelle. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the linking process. You will then be directed to the Zelle homepage. From here, you can start sending or receiving money. To send money, tap on Send Money. Select a contact from your list or enter a new recipient's information. Enter the amount you wish to send. Add a brief note to describe the purpose of the transaction. Review your details for accuracy. Finally, tap on Send to complete the transaction. You will receive a confirmation once the payment is processed. If you need assistance, the help section within the app can provide guidance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.